Xero versus QuickBooks, which one fits you best? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear comparison of Xero and QuickBooks Online, helping you choose the right accounting software based on pricing, features, usability, and business needs. So let's get started. So they're both packed with features and widely used by businesses worldwide, but some important differences could help you figure out which one suits your needs better. So first up, let's talk about Xero. Xero is a web-based accounting platform that offers more than just the standard bookkeeping tools, along with double entry accounting and support for both cash and accrual methods. Xero comes with advanced features, which is a wide range of integrations and robust mobile apps for Android and iOS. Xero also earns high marks for its strong focus on cybersecurity and user data protection. Next, we've got QuickBooks Online. Like Xero, it operates entirely in the cloud and includes both basic and sophisticated accounting capabilities. It also offers excellent integration options and mobile support for users who need access on the go, but QuickBooks take it a step further. It features built-in lending options, business bank accounts through QuickBooks Checking, and an overall more complete financial suite. Now, when placing Xero and QuickBooks head-to-head, you'll notice many overlapping features. But here's the kicker. Xero shines with its unlimited user access, all at no extra charge. QuickBooks, on the other hand, maxes out at 25 users, but it's significantly more beginner-friendly. So while Xero is more scalable, QuickBooks is easier to pick up if you're not an accounting pro. That said, QuickBooks reserves certain advanced tools like detailed inventory tracking for its pricier tiers, whereas Xero includes those features across all plans. So when we talk about money, Xero initially seems like the more affordable option. It offers 3 subscription levels ranging from $15 to $78 per month at the time of recording. But remember, prices are subject to change, so check out the link in our description for the most recent updates. Xero's lowest tier plan sounds appealing, but it does limit how many invoices and bills you can send, making it best suited for solopreneurs, tiny startups, or mobile vendors like food trucks. On the bright side, every Xero plan allows unlimited users, so it's a smart choice for growing businesses. In terms of extras, Xero keeps it minimal. While it doesn't include native payroll, it connects seamlessly with Gusto. But here's what to keep in mind. Xero isn't the most beginner-friendly. It takes time to learn, but there are plenty of tutorials and guides to help you. It's best for mid-large size companies or teams needing multiple user accounts. QuickBooks Online, meanwhile, is easier to use right off the gate. However, it might not be the best fit if you plan on having more than 25 users or need access to certain advanced features without paying extra. QuickBooks can also end up being more expensive in the long run, especially when you start adding services. That said, it's still considered the go-to accounting software if you want an intuitive interface and an all-in-one solution covering everything from taxes to payrolls to payments. So simply head over, click on the links given in the description below in order to get access to these. And that's the end of today's review. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.